Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to use the learning function on your BT-250 or BT-350 remote to control your TV's power, volume, and input source. You'll need both your BT remote and your TV's original factory remote for this setup. First, on your BuzzTV remote, press and hold the TV power and source buttons together for about 3 seconds. You'll see the red light turn on and stay solid. Once it does, release both buttons. Now, press the button you want to program. For example, TV power, source, volume up, or volume down. When you press it, the red light will start flashing. That means your BuzzTV remote is now in learning mode. Next, point both remotes directly at each other. Make sure the front ends are facing one another, and keep them about 1 inch or 3 centimeters apart. Now, on your TV's original remote, press the same button you're trying to copy. When the BuzzTV remote receives the signal successfully, the red light will blink 4 times. You can repeat this process for the other buttons. TV power, volume up, volume down, and source just follow the same steps. Once you've programmed all the buttons you need, press and hold the OK button for 3 seconds. The red light will blink twice to confirm that everything's saved. And that's it. Your BT-250 or 350 remote is now set up to control your TV's power, volume, and input. Simple, quick, and easy.